Assuming no denominator equals 0, which expression is equivalent to the given expression? But notice what we're doing on this one is that we are multiplying these two expressions together. And I'm going to switch over to my paper here. And it might be nice if you can see the problem here, but there it is. And there's nothing to factor here, but we can factor here. And when we factor 7x plus 35, what we're doing is we're factoring the greatest common factor. So the x plus 7 on the top of the fraction is not going to change. And here, 7 is the biggest number that divides into both 7 and 35. 7x divided by 7 is x. 35 divided by 7 is 5. Then over here, we can factor this trinomial. We don't have to factor the x minus 8, so I'm just going to leave that there. But off to the side here, you can see I have the x squared minus 3x minus 40. So we're going to take 1 times 40 is 40. And the factors of 40 are 1 and 40, 2 and 20, 5 and 8, and I don't know why I skipped 4 and 10. But I was overzealous there, and we need the 5 and the 8. Because we need factors that combine to be 3, so 8 minus 5 gives us 3, but what we really want is we really want 5 minus 8 because we need negative 3. So we're splitting the middle here, and we get x squared plus 5x minus 8x minus 40. And once again, we're grouping these together. And when we do, we get x times x plus 5. And over here in the second group, and be really careful, that minus is important. The greatest common factor is going to be 8. Negative 8x divided by negative 8 is x. Negative 40 divided by negative 8 is positive 5. And now what we've got is we've got x plus 5. And then we have x minus 8. And we can fill that back in over here. X plus 5 times x minus 8. And again, at Mentum, they like to put it all into one. Everything that's from the top of the fractions is together. Everything from the bottom of the fractions is together. But what we're looking for is, do we have anything exactly the same on the top and on the bottom? And I just noticed the x minus 8's here. We also happen to have an x plus 5 on the bottom and an x plus 5 on the top, which leaves us here with the x plus 7 on the top and 7 on the bottom. And when we go back to Edmentum here, it looks like it's the last choice.